In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the bald head filter on Snapchat. Okay, so to make this work, you want to go ahead and launch Snapchat, and then you want to tap on the search button next to your avatar at the top left. Then you want to go ahead and search for bald character. As you can see, I have it in my recents, but I'm going to go ahead and show you have to search for it, bald character. And the top results is what we want to look at, and I'm going to select bald character lens at the top. And that's going to go ahead and launch the camera with the filter enabled. If I go ahead and flip the camera, you can see now that I have the bald head character filter enabled. I can go ahead and take a photo. That photo is now saved, and I can go ahead and send that to my friends on Snapchat, or I can save it to my camera roll and then go ahead and send them to my friends on any other social media. So that is how you get the bald head character filter on Snapchat. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.